Hello, super learners. I am Mr. Spark, and today we are going to learn something really cool. Personal pronouns.
Does anyone know what these are? Do you know?
A pronoun is a little word that takes the place of a name. For example, this is Tom. Tom likes skateboarding. Instead of saying Tom again, we can say, this is Tom, he likes skateboarding. See how easy that is?
Wait, Mr. Spark. Why don't we just say Tom every time? Isn't that easier?
Good question, Watie. If we say Tom, Tom, Tom all the time, it would sound funny and in some cases would be too long. Pronouns instead help us speak and write more smoothly.
Oh, so instead of saying Anna is nice, Anna is smart, we can say Anna is nice, she is smart, right?
Exactly, Watie. You've got it.
Time to practice, friends. I'll show you a name, and you choose the right pronoun, okay? Are you ready? This is Anna. Is my best friend. Yes, she's my best friend. This is Max. Plays soccer. Correct. He plays soccer. This is a well. Is very cute. Great! It is very cute. This is Anna, Max, and their pets. Are best friends. Yes, they are best friends.
Awesome job, everyone. Let's quickly review. Repeat after me. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Great! These are our personal pronouns. Bye-bye, super learners. See you next time and keep on practicing.